Okay, I just want to give you a brief introduction to our first regular lesson here and how it's structured. This is section 2.1. So in class, again, the plan is I'm going to cover this section with you live in regular format, so you don't need to watch these videos if you are in class that day. Okay, and then everybody, whether you're a distance learner or in class, this will be your homework, it'll be digital. All right, and then the other file you see here is just some notes, um, which you can use. There's completed notes, so if you need to ever look back at them, you lose your notes or something like that's just a completed document, a PDF of the notes. Okay, so if you're at home, you're watching these videos and then completing this homework. If you're in class, you just basically will be doing these videos together, and then you will have to do the homework online too. One other thing to remember, if you're a distance learner and you want to do a live session, I'm planning on trying that. Maybe I'm going to try it this first week here. These Thursday and Friday is the first Tuesday I'm going to try it. And to do that again, the directions are on our main page. So if you go here, go on down and do attending a live session. All right, so the main thing is you have to know when to attend, right? Because I'll be teaching it live like I normally would on a regular schedule. If you're an Algebra 2 kid, you could attend any of these hours, to be honest. It really wouldn't matter. And you'll just join using these directions. So you go to your Rapid Identity, click on Google Meet, join or start a meeting, and then just use the code Westpital. And hopefully, assuming the technology is working, you'll find a session where I'm sharing my screen and you can listen in, and you can actually I would say mute yourself at the start, but if you have a question, you can unmute it, and then hopefully I'll hear it and respond. It might be a little clunky at first here when we're trying this. It might be kind of a mess. So it is an option if you are, any day that you're distance, you're at home and you want to try and watch live. Those are the directions. Okay, that's again optional. It's completely up to you. If you're distance and don't want to do it that way, you can just watch the videos in the folder for that day. So again, for 2.1, you'd just be watching those videos. All right, thank you, and reach out if you have any questions. Well, I haven't created it here yet, but I'll make a little blog here if you ever want to just blog questions, um, that you have. Hey, can you do homework number 7? Or I didn't understand the concept of functions. Can you go over that again? Any type of questions, just put it in that blog. All right, thanks for watching.